Come back to our program of grammar, unit 2, singular and plurals. Nouns. We already seen up to exercise B. Now we go as per countable noun and uncountable noun. In our daily life, we count money, है ना? How many pens do you bring? We ask no our friends, our classmates. As per that, here we understand about countable noun and uncountable noun. Some nouns refer to entities that we can count. Entities means संस्थाओं. Such nouns are called countable nouns. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. We use a, an, many, some, few or a few before these nouns. A bird, 10 birds. A bird means, we understand no? Singular, only one bird. A bird means they talk about only one bird. Here mention they 10 birds. So we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. It's called countable nouns. A book, 3 books. An umbrella. Why here put an? An is used for singular, only one umbrella. Here we pronounce it with U. Do you know no vowel? So we put article before umbrella N. An umbrella. 5 umbrellas. So we understand about countable nouns. Now uncountable noun. बच्चे, you have to enter these both definition in your fair book. Countable noun with examples and uncountable noun with its example. Some nouns refer to entities that we cannot count. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are always used in the singular. Air, wood, weather, meat, milk, music. These are the examples of uncountable noun. We can't count it. We use expressions like enough, much, some, any, little, a lot of, or plenty of before some uncountable nouns to indicate quantity. Some food, a pinch of salt, a little sugar, plenty of water, some advice, a piece of advice. So these words we use for some, much, enough before uncountable noun. Sometimes we count the number of containers which contain these uncountable things to express quantity. A bucket of water, we can count it, bucket of water. A glass of water. How many filled a glass of water? Then we can count it. But we said as how many water? So we can't count it. है ना बच्चे? 2 jugs of water, a can of cola, 3 packets of salt, 3 packets of Maggi. No, packets. But Maggi I say then you can't count it. Packets of Maggi, you can count it. A spoonful of sugar. Many times you prepare no tea. Then you ask now your mother, Mama, how much spoonful of sugar I add it? Understand? And last rule, some and any can be used with both countable and uncountable noun. Some books, some water. Understand बच्चे these rules? Now we go Given below are some other uncountable nouns and their uses. Bread. Bread is a uncountable noun. We can't count bread. Butter, a loaf of bread, a slice of bread, we can count it. Furniture. Furniture, we can't count. But a piece of a lot of furniture. Hair, a few strand of hair, a strand of hair. Ink, several bottles of ink. Ink is a uncountable noun, but bottles of ink, we can count it. Many cartridges of ink. Tea, a cup of tea. We offer now. Guest coming our home then. A kettle of tea. So बच्चे, you understand these rules, countable and uncountable noun. You have to enter in your fair book after this singular and plural noun definition and exercise up to B already you entered, and after this exercise Roman B you enter countable noun and uncountable definition. Then directly you start Roman C. Underline the countable noun and circle the uncountable noun. So already I given here exercise C, exercise D. Alisa likes to eat biscuits with milk. Biscuits is a countable noun, so we underline, and milk we circle. As per second number, Sital found a strand of hair. A strand of hair underline in her soup. Soup uncountable noun, circle on it. So बच्चे complete as per exercise C and exercise D. You already understand countable noun and uncountable noun. So बच्चे finish in your fair book this homework, and after we finish this chapter 2, I check your notebook chapter 1 and chapter 2. I will say when I check. So बच्चे in next video we see the exercise E. Exercise C and exercise D you finish today. In next video we will see exercise E is a very important for semester exam also. So बच्चे complete that much work and we will see in next video. Okay बच्चे, bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.